A massive search operation is underway after a passenger aircraft carrying 64 people collided mid-air with the U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter with 3 soldiers on board near Reagan National Airport outside of Washington, D.C., according to aviation and defense officials. About 300 first responders are searching the freezing Potomac River, where the aircraft crashed, the D.C. fire chief said. Fatalities have been confirmed, and rescuers have not yet pulled any survivors from the water, a law enforcement source said. The source says American Airlines Flight 5342 is in pieces in the water and the helicopter is in the water nearby. The airport will be closed until at least immediate Thursday, airport officials said. Several members of the figure skating community were on the passenger jet, according to a statement from US Figure Skating. In a report from Russian state media, President Donald Trump called the crash a bad situation that looks like it should have been prevented. In a post on social media, it was not immediately clear whether Trump's post was based on information on which he had been officially briefed. Experts from around the world weighing in on Wednesday's aircraft collision are trying to make sense of how DC's sophisticated airspace system led to the evening tragedy. It's very clear, looking at the flight paths of the aircraft and the radio transmissions, that the Black Hawk was asked to maintain visual separation from Flight 5342 for some reason, and we don't know that reason. Tony Stanton from Australia's Civil Aviation Safety Authority told CNN's Omar Jimenez, "That's one of the areas that I would be interested in examining as an investigator. What caused the Black Hawk crew not to comply with the clearance they were provided?" The U.S. Army Black Hawk that collided was on a training flight at the time of the incident. Joint Task Force National Capital Region Media Chief Heather Charas told CNN Wednesday. Stanton added that, unlike many other ATC towers, Washington Tower has 2 radio frequencies used to communicate with airborne aircraft, with one frequency used for rotorcraft helicopters and another one for other aircraft. So in this circumstance, you would have had the Black Hawk talking to the tower on one frequency, and you would have had Flight 5342 talking to the tower on another frequency, he said, adding that the crash may have resulted in a barrier of situational awareness between the pilots.